Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today I'm going to share with you how I made these adorable little Halloween black candles. I absolutely love how they turned out, and they're so easy to make. I just started off with a scrap piece of 110-pound cardstock in black, and I went every 3/8 to make these candles, and you can make them as big or small as you want. I just wanted them like, as tiny little embellishments. So I just cut or scored enough to make 3 candles, and I'm just going to cut off the one candle that I'm going to put in front. So, and they all need to be cut at different sizes, so I'm just going ahead and cutting these. And I also liked adding some white ink around the edges. And here I'm just going to cut the different sizes I want. It was a little bit too long, so I'm just going ahead and cutting it down. But as I said, you can cut it any size you want. And I'm just cutting the other candle to a smaller size and just cut that piece out. And then I like to curve the bottom a bit to make it like a round candle. And on the top I like to cut it the opposite way, so there's a little divot in the top like a candle would have. So I'm just going ahead and doing this to all the pieces, and I'm just measuring out how long I want the candle to go in front. So I want it a little bit shorter, and I'm just going ahead and cutting that and trimming the bottom and the top. And I just like to take a moment to say that if you're new to my channel, I love doing embellishments. I think it's my most favorite thing to do. I do also decor pieces, but for this Halloween I'm pretty much sticking to all embellishments because I just got so many ideas going on in my head, so I want to get them all down. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'd love to have you in my YouTube community. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I love reading your comments too. And if you do like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up so I know to keep making some more. So I got that all cut the way I want it, and I'm just taking some of this white ink. It's very well used and loved. I got it from the dollar bin at Michael's a long time ago, and it's still going strong. And where I scored it there, I'm just bending it so I can get all around the candles here. And then I do this one all by itself. And it just adds a really nice touch and some depth to the candles. And of course you're going to need your handy dandy glue gun. And you just got to be really careful here because a lot of glue will want to glop out. So I just kind of drag a little bit along the top and then kind of drag down pieces with the tip of the glue gun, because you don't want too much glue coming out. You want it to make it look like a candle's actually been dripping. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just dragging it down, and I do end up adding just a little bit more when it cools, and you can add as much as you want, however you want your candles to look. So once it cooled a bit, I decided I wanted to add a little bit more, but I didn't show that on camera, but that's what I did because I just wanted that little bit more. And for the wick, I just grabbed some scrap string that I had, and you can use anything you want. You can use an actual wick if you want, but it might be a waste. But white string I find just does the trick anyways. So, and you just want to add a dab of glue on the back to I found it was easier to glue it down first and then cut it, otherwise it frayed way too much. So this is why I did it this way, because I was cutting the pieces first and they were frayed before I even got it on the candle, so I had to come up with this way. So I'm just going ahead and cutting a wick, and I'm cutting them a little bit long because I want to burn them down a bit like they have already been used and have melted wax down the candle. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. Just pinch it down and then give it a cut. And then you can grab your lighter or a candle if you have that already lit, and you just want to burn it for that couple of seconds, not even 2 seconds, just really quickly. And then I just blew it out right away, just like that. And then I do go ahead and do the other one. These are so adorable, I just love them. And then I grab some foam tape so it could have some dimension to make it like it's actually 3 candles. And you don't want to cut it any wider than the candle itself. And you just want to put it on the back there, and if you want to add more glue you can. I didn't for the purpose of this video, and I didn't cover the backs either, but you can certainly do that. And I just kind of offset it on the bottom to make it like it's standing there. Aren't they adorable? I absolutely love them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.